All right, let's take you to the city of Kolkata and tell you what your good property investment options are. Mr. Sayan Ganguly wants a home exactly in that city. Hi, Mr. Ganguly. Go ahead, sir. What's your budget? What's the locality or location that you've zeroed in on?
Hi, good evening, Manisha and Samir. I am looking at investing in Godrej Prakriti in North Kolkata. My budget is around 30 to 35 lakhs and I'm looking for a 2 BHK. So I would like to know whether firstly that's a good project to invest in, and secondly what type of escalation am I looking at in the next 2 to 4 years.
All right, Godrej Prakriti already shortlisted a project. How good is it? And we're getting more and more questions like that, Samir, where people have actually opted, already zeroed in on a project and they just want you to tell them that it's a good choice or not. Or are there better choices available in the market?
Very pleasantly surprised, because I thought people who made their decisions are not going to come and ask us whether the decision was right or wrong. But I think those are the questions that we're getting, and we're more than happy to address each and every one of them. So this project happens to be in Sodepur, which is a fast growing upmarket residential suburb of Calcutta. It's got great proximity to the airport. But this project, Godrej is one of the best developers and most upcoming developers in India today. Having said that, this project is spread over 25 acres. There's a lot of density because there are going to be about 2,500 odd apartments that are going to be planned over here. And Sodepur does not have too much of other developments that are happening. So this area has appreciated a fair bit, but most of it has happened because of this particular project by Godrej, which was launched at 1,950 rupees a square feet and today trades at about 2,700 rupees a square feet. So already about 38% appreciation in the last 2.5 years. This is a long-term bet, a great area, but if you want to play safe, we would recommend Rajarhat for you. So just coming back to some key data points, Sodepur has only one really big project by Godrej. Rajarhat is 34, so there is supply much more in Rajarhat. 6,926 units compared to 1,660 of Sodepur. Inventory overhang of Sodepur is very high, 26 months, and Rajarhat is only about 15 months. And all the top IT activity that is happening in Rajarhat, but the appreciation is only 11%, whereas Sodepur is showing 36%. But I've mentioned this is primarily because of the Godrej project, really. And if you look at some good projects in Rajarhat, I would say Pine Hoods by Siddha Group. It's at 2,900 rupees a square feet. Same pricing, getting ready in 2014, directly available from the developer. And Silver Oak Estates by Salarpriya Group in Rajarhat. 3,000 rupees a square feet is the price. Both the developers are reputed, and you can get this project also from the developer, getting ready in 2014.
Okay, very quick summary here of the projects recommended. Pine Woods by Siddha Group and Silver Oak Estates by Salarpuria Group are the two projects that you could look into. Now from Kolkata straight to Chennai, S. Shriram on the phone line with us. Hi Shriram, go ahead. What's your question?